Best water softener consumer reports. Of 71% of the total water on earth, only 2.5% is drinkable. Water is classified into two types, hard water and soft water. It is easy for you to understand as to which types of water is suitable for consumption. But what if the water running through the taps of your house is hard? Basically, hard water is the water that contains minerals that are not suitable for the human body if consumed. Just get a water softener and enjoy the pure water. However, the problem is that there are so many water softeners available on the market. If you start looking at each of those, then you will end up confusing yourself big time. To make things easy, you can just go through the best water softener reviews consumer reports. Number 5. Flake 5600SXT. Flake is a renowned and trusted brand when it comes to manufacturing water softener. This water softener can be installed at home or at commercial settings and is fully capable of permanently transferring large volumes of hard water into soft water. This is a salt-based model which comprises of a brine and resin tank, along with a host of all components that will successfully remove the hard minerals dissolved in water. When it comes to control water uses and generation, you get a flow meter installed on the system to prevent water and salt wastage. Number 4. Aquasana Water Filter System. This brand has gained a top reputation all over the world through its assortment of best quality water treatment systems. The product that we are discussing is no different as it performs incredibly well and provides you with soft and mineral-rich water. The unit employs a dual tank design that increases the time of water contact with hard minerals and contaminants. This water softener can remove up to 97% of chlorine from huge volumes of around 1 million gallons of water. Plus, the system constitutes of activated carbon filters, which is known for reducing chemicals such as pesticides and herbicides from the water like no other water softener. Number 3. ABC Waters Build Flake 5600SXT. If you are looking for a complete package of water softeners, then you should consider ABC Waters Build Flake 5600SXT, which makes use of upflow carbon filtration to get rid of all germs and bacteria present in the water along with softening the water. The service flow rate of the unit is around 15 GPM. And the unit is ideal for a family of 2 to 5 people. The company offers 5 years warranty on the flake valve, so there is nothing worried if the valve gets damaged. Other benefits of the unit includes no use of electricity, no drain line, and no wastewater. Number 2. Sanya Yarna Electronic Water Descaler System. This machine doesn't incorporate a large tank, but it features a blue pipe having a 2-inch diameter along with copper tap. These two items are good enough to convert hard water into potable one. The water is treated via electronic impulses, which can be controlled via a computerized microchip. Copper coils that are wrapped around the pipe transmit signal frequencies and reduces the size of crystal presence in the water. With this water softener installed in your house, you won't have to deal with blocked pipes with built-up or damaged machinery. The presence of magnesium and calcium from the water is not fully removed but reduced, as some percentages of these are essential for human body. Number 1. iSpring Water Conditioner Alternative Water Softener. First, let me clarify that this is not a water softener because it doesn't remove any materials from the water, but turns the water unsaturated in order to dissolve the existing scale builds up in the water system. This is more like a salt-free alternative to the traditional water softener for fixing hard water problems. With this water conditioner installed at your home, you don't have to bother about chemical or maintenance-related problems. And that's all from the best water softener consumer reports. To buy a water softener from our list, go to the description and click the link. For getting more and more consumer report, subscribe checklist. See you on our next video. Goodbye.